And this is the new place. Come on in, I'll show you around. Built this fence so Casper couldn't run away. There's Casper. Drinking water out of the swimming pool. See, there's his big yard. Whoa, look at those trees. So come on in. There's the steps for Casper to get up to the patio. I'll show you that in a minute. Come on in. See, he goes up here and goes up his own steps. In we go. This is where he goes into the patio. See right there. That way you can go in and out of the yard when I'm not around. 1950 Mary Hill Road. Let's go inside. Come on. Let's go up the stairs. Walking up the stairs. Walking up the stairs. Look over there first. Okay, so when we come up over the stairs, there's a wall here, a mirror, see? Hello. And inside there's the washing machine. When you come over here around the corner, you look way down the end of that hallway. There's Dad's bedroom. We'll be back. We'll be back. There's the washroom. Nice and clean. Got some clownfish on here. Look at that. Hello outside. So then, see there's a mirror right at the end of the hall. Did you know that you used to come to this house with Gail, her son Will, and the kids used to play on the trampoline out in the front yard? Here's the kitchen. Casper's bed. He never sleeps there. He always goes underneath the table here. That's where he sleeps. Nice view outside the window. This is the strangest door. I'll show you in a second. Mr. Kitchen. Oh, what's this? Uh-oh. Nice, sunny, bright kitchen. And here's the door. I guess that before there used to be stairs that came upstairs. Then they took the stairs down and threw them away. And so now this door only goes out of this tiny little balcony here. I feel like the king. I can come out on the balcony and I can wave. See, there's no stairs. That's, we'll go back inside, see Casper. Oh yeah, forgot to show you this in the hallway. Okay, so here's Dad's room. Want to see it again? See, I got the black curtains up there for sleeping. Here's my big, huge closet again with the mirrors on it. See, opens that way. Or, hello in the closet. And then over here, hello hallway. Karaoke. Little bear. Hello shoes. Winnie. So here's Kyle's weight when you were born at the hospital. 7 pounds, 14 ounces, May 23rd, 2004. And all the rest of your weights ever since. There's the Millennium Falcon. Hi, little bear. Hi, Kyle's first shoes. Winnie. Mellow.